Okay, so in this video we're going to set up Google Analytics. So obviously I'm in my yourhomegalaxy@gmail.com, and obviously it's brand new, so set up for free. Account name, we'll call it Home Galaxy. You can leave all those on. Next, property name, Home Galaxy. Reporting time, well, I'll just put as my reporting time. It's not letting me scroll down past that, so okay, I'll just have that. Advanced options, right here you want to click on create universal analytics property, because the new version of Google Analytics, I haven't got to grips with yet, so I'm not going to be advising to use that. If anybody else has and they want to give some advice on how to use it, then that's fine. homegalaxy.net. Create both analytic for. We want to create a universal analytics property only, and then click next. Industry category, we will go home and garden, small, and we want to measure customer engagement. We want to optimize advertising costs, increase conversions, analyze my online sales, measure lead generation, and we'll leave it at that. We'll tick yes to that, and I accept. Then we'll just click save there. I don't want to mess around with that and that. So then we need to add our global site tag. So we take that and it goes into the header in the same way that the Facebook one did. So after the Facebook one, we'll put the Google Analytics. Update file. Okay. While we're at it, we may as well do Webmaster as well. So we'll go Google Webmaster, which is basically Search Console now. We'll go sign in, and we will change that to Your Home Galaxy. Verify your ownership. And we can use our Google Analytics account because we've already added. Okay, it's saying that that's not there. Let's click done. Search property. Okay, add property. Requires VNS. So we'll try this one, and we'll go HTTPS homegalaxy.net, and we'll click continue. So ownership auto verified because of Google Analytics. So go to property and click start. So that's it. That's all we need to do for that for now. So we've added analytics and we've added the Google Search Console. So we'll play around with the rest of it later. But thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.